Good morning. It's like 5 o'clock. I'm gonna go see if I can find an Uber and some water, because I do have a thermos, but that's all the water I've got, so I need more. And I need a ride. It's 88 degrees. I easily found an Uber. It's like 8 minutes away. I should have gotten up an hour ago, but seems like everything's gonna be fine. I got some water and snacks. It's like in total it's like a 30-mile hike, so I'm not too worried. That's like an hour for me, an hour and a half or something. And it's a really awesome hike. There's a canyon at the beginning, and you get to the summit of Camelback, and then you go all the way down. And it looks like the way down is boring, but pretty easy. It's got like steps and stuff. So actually, the way down is cool at the beginning because you use the ridge, and I love ridge hikes. They're pretty cool. That's a freaking cool building. I've walked past that. It's the Bank of America building, and it's got like LED strips on the side. Okay, I am here. I have to find the trail. I'm just gonna follow that car. But freaking look at this. This is where I'm gonna be living. Y'all know this is in the middle of the city. Like, the city goes around it. Looks like Uber was the way to go because the parking lot's full. I hope everyone can agree that Montana is still more beautiful in a way. This is just different. This is amazing. Okay, it's almost 1 o'clock. I've been having some problems with downloading videos and stuff, so that's why I haven't been around. I'm getting food. I'm gonna get Jimmy John's, so yay. So as usual, it's freaking hot outside, so I'm walking a little bit, but it's so hot. So I'm gonna see the city hall just to see if there's anything cool in there. I have no idea what's in here. Oh yeah, that makes sense. It's closed because it's Sunday.
Contact your rail operator, their inspector, or call 911 if you see something suspicious.
Now this sunset is amazing. There's clouds. If it's like this every other day,
The westbound train is
I love it.
approaching the station. Please stand back from the platform
Train.
bench.